The BadBank project. As you can see here that this project has been deployed to AWS here, and you can see from here we are already logged into account Peter, so we can see Peter's balance. And let's see, I'll show you, like the nav bar has all those tooltips and those hovering effect, and if you click withdraw, it shows you right now where withdraw, and it withdraw shows you the balance for Peter, the account. There's a validation, so you cannot do negative number. Also, you cannot withdraw more than you have. See, okay, so let's just withdraw, let's say 20 here, and then you can that. Let's log out here. You can click log out. Let's show the create account. So we can create account. So it has all those validation, and originally this button is disabled. If you type something, it's enabled, but then you needed to have valid stuff. But now let's just do something real. So, to create account, you can create another one, but now we are not going to create another one. We are going to log into this new account again. So the form is the same thing. Disabled first, all the validation, and you account, and you can see here the account says Sam, and in the home page, Bad Bank also says Sam, and it so in deposit, so the balance shows the initial balance. Everybody gets 100. Again, you cannot do negative or validation, but you can do, let's say, so it shows you it's deposit the right account. And then here, the last one, you can see everybody here. So that's basically it. For the challenge, I think the major challenge is moving the standalone project to the app, React app. I use the React app because I figure that's how industry works. So I'd like to learn how things are done in real life. But it turns out to be a lot of work, like everything, lots of things work very differently, and I have to figure out lots of import, export, even figuring out where to add Bootstrap, JavaScript. It takes me a while, and then where to place the user context, and even tooltip works quite differently. Took me a lot of search to figure out. That's the first. And then the other thing is the web development changes so fast. The version changes, lots of things change. Like in the video lecture, the hash router works very different. They use component in the route. But I'm using React Router version 6. Those no longer works. I have to use the new syntax, figure out instead of using component, I have to use element, which is a lot of headache, a lot of searching to figure it out. And then the design choices is I did not refactor into a separate form because I figure every different form, like a create account, log in, deposit, withdraw, they have slightly different business logic, different validation. It doesn't quite make sense to put them together. I'd like to keep things separate, logic, so that logic is clean. But I did add this log in, log out button because I figured it's easier if you want to switch between accounts. That's it. Thank you.